6 to 12.
Well, you guys, thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I am Gray Shot Down on the sticks. Alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel, we're going to take you on another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's full self-driving 11.4.4 software stack.
Actually, I'm out because it's going to want to get in that lane the whole time.
We're going to have to do a manual drive through this intersection here and have our car reroute, but you get to see a bit of manual driving from the air as we head to our...
And the only reason we are manually driving is because we want to go a different route to our final destination.
Yeah, exactly. No big deal. We want to take a different route.
Which I need to get in that lane anyways, but not in the turn lane. So I could have let her do that.
That's okay. It probably would have wanted to turn here though.
That's okay. This guy's taking up both lanes.
That's called creative driving. If you guys are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this crazy YouTube algorithm.
Alright, how much room does it give for the milk?
Alright, here's an interesting scenario. Whew, it feels like it gets really close to that.
It doesn't give as much room as I would.
No. And actually, there was a vehicle behind us, so we could see.
There was a vehicle in front. There were two vehicles in front and a vehicle behind.
So we can kind of see how the other humans do it.
Yeah, there is comparison.
It doesn't give as much way as you or I would naturally driving.
But again, if you drive it in San Francisco and there's not a lot of room to give.
Sure. And this is a large vehicle anyway. I get that.
Yeah. Alright, does it make the turn into the neighborhood?
Oh.
That's another fail point that it's been having.
Yeah, this is true.
Okay, we have no one behind us, so I can just let it go.
We can see how herky-jerky it wants to be.
Correct. Because last time I did it just because we had someone behind us.
Oh, good.
And someone coming. Hey.
New day.
It's done the corners, it's done the roundabout.
New day.
But yes, for all our followers, I got a new coworker, and he too has a order for the truck. So now it's a race of who gets theirs first.
I want ours.
No, I know I want ours first, but it should be an interesting race.
It should.
I think we put our reservation in before he did.
I can't remember if we ordered in 2019 or 2020. I sneakingly remember that maybe this is for an off-camera conversation, but I can't remember if we placed an order and then reordered and canceled, or if it. I can't remember.
I don't know. All I care more about is just that actual order
Well,
that we left alone.
Yes.
But like I said, it'll be interesting. Who
It
gets
will.
there first?
I'm sincerely hoping, and I think, comment down below, when do you guys think you're going to get your Cybertruck? I have bets on before the end of the year, which I think is aggressive, and bets on definitely before next summer.
No, I have the bets before next summer.
That's why I'm hoping you win that bet.
You don't have that bet. I have that bet.
Yes. Doggone Sci-Fi has the bet that is between January and I think June of next year.
Correct.
You
originally said,
I took the over.
Yeah,
which,
you originally said over, and now you're backtracking and saying by the end of this year.
Well, the reason I'm backtracking and say by the end of this year is because I seriously think they're sandbagging us on the production ramp as far as what they're actually capable of.
Yeah.
And I'm honestly secretly hoping that you win since it is your truck.
Oh, I know. I'm hoping you win if you're going for the end of the year. I'd love to get it by the end of this year. Do you want me to just turn down that empty one again?
Yeah, if you don't mind. You can even make a left prior. Like up at this intersection.
Yeah, that's what I was going to do. Yeah.
Well, you guys, if you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, I am Gray Shot Down alongside Doggone Sci-Fi. Keep the conversation going over on X. And thanks for tuning in.
I never noticed the names of this street. Jerupa, Morency, and Legacy. See, there's no way you can see. You can see left, you can't see right, though. Okay, now you can see. Here we go.